Hello everyone, my name is Kulisi. I just wanted to make this video as kind of a kickoff for my family's vlog. I thought it would be a great idea, and it'll probably only last one video. I want to leave a legacy with my family, and I want them to see me, and I want my children to see themselves when they were little and see how annoying they really were. Alright everybody, let me introduce you to my family here. They're wonderful, a wonderful bunch of people. This is my son Mo.
That's a dinosaur.
Just about to enter school. He's been wearing his backpack around everywhere, every day. Remembered I used to do the same thing. My backpack when I was a lad used to double as a proton pack, like on Ghostbusters. This is my wife Lou. Say hi, Lou.
Hi. Hi.
I told you I met her when I was down in Tonga. And when I left Tonga, I stole her, and she came with me. She's from a little island called Ha'afeva, and she's the rose of Ha'afeva. This is Gotoni, little Gotoni. He's our second oldest. He's a funny kid. Right here, this is little Loopy. Loopy, say hi. She's currently our crotch puncher in the family. And this is Grandma Lisi. This is Lou's mom. We stole her from Tonga too. Hey everybody, I'm Kulisi. This is Lou. Got Gotoni in the back. We're heading over to the car shop right now because actually this is the third time our minivan we're driving in here has been overheating. These fart knockers at the shop just can't seem to get it done. But hopefully we'll figure it out. Okay, here we are. We're at the auto shop.
The camera.
Hey, what are you doing out of your seat? Alright, so anyways, we got the van in the shop right now. We're in the mall here attached to the shop. So we're gonna wait it out. Hopefully it's nothing major.
Dad, I can see you.
The finest in Sears clothing. Those boots are freaking awesome. This is the new style, the new thing. Look at that, look at that. Those jeans are the only thing tighter than those moves. If only I had a car like that, people would respect me. Or maybe that. At least somebody's having fun with their vehicle. Now, these people know how to get around. I wish I was them. Maybe not in the infirmities, but the comfort of travel. Who could ask for anything more? Not I. Just a little flower for Loopy. Loopy. Awesome. Okay. They said there was an air bubble in the coolant
The air
system.
bubble.
So hopefully that's the end of it.
Ready for a trip.
Yeah, hopefully we're ready for our trip.